Welcome to
Portofino!
In the heart of the Italian Riviera, on the Ligurian Sea lies a coastal town with a tranquil crescent harbor with a hill of olive groves and small vineyards in its background. Portofino. If you're going to visit this place, you have made the right choice. Whether it's a romantic getaway, a chance for peace and relaxation for a few days, or if you have children and teenagers traveling with you, you'll find that this little pearl of Liguria has many activities on offer, as well as interesting places to visit. However, you should be aware that this little village is quite exorbitant. If you decide to go by car, for example, the parking costs 5.5 euros per hour, so be prepared. Once in Portofino, walking might be your best option. The town is not large and most hotels and beaches are a short walk from the harbor. However, should you be fortunate enough to have a boat at your disposal, that would be another convenient way to move around the area.
So we actually at the Brown Castle, and here it was very important point for the city of Genova because it used to be a defensive point for them. And before this, there was an ancient Roman tower. So let's go to explore inside.
Portofino's birth is hidden in the midst of the Roman area when it was known by the name given by Plinius the historian, Dolphin's Harbour. The small picturesque town of Portofino was always a magnet for celebrities. Indeed, the English actor Rex Harrison owned a villa while Avril Lavigne spent her honeymoon there.
Portofino is one of the richest cities here in Liguria. And even the tourists, how you can see, I think is very rich. But now it's time to eat. And let's see if even here we can find some cheap food. here to take 2 pieces of focaccia. And we took the normal one and focaccia with cheese. But it's not that cheap. €9 for 2 pieces of focaccia. Not worth.
Plus 1 bottle of water.
Yeah, let's eat.
A bit oily but really cheesy. I love it. Now we're heading to Recco, another little village nearby Portofino, and we're going to taste the unique focaccia there. Well, apparently lots of cities try to imitate the focaccia, but it was quite impossible to do it. So let's go to see how special it is.
First place and first order done. Focaccia di Recco and focaccia with pesto. Let's go to taste it.
So it's really thin and cheesy, but also a little bit oily. Let me see how different it is from the other focaccia that we tasted. Okay. There's a big difference. That's really, wow, tasty and really, really good. As you can see, Carlo was too excited to taste the focaccia, and yeah, this should be the one with pesto.
So good. Pesto and stracchino, the perfect combination. Recco was totally destroyed during the Second World War, and for this here the unique things that you can do is eating focaccia and go to swim. So let's go to taste the second focaccia of today.
Or the third.
Second and last taste of the Recco focaccia. There should be another one, but unfortunately is closed. So let's do the last taste for today.
So which one is better?
I really don't know, but I think this one, because the cheese is so good and it's a little bit more expensive as compared to the other place, but it's very good. Approved.